The market's mostly flat. This is D7 here at Grok Trade. It is Monday, October 26, 2015. And the spiders down 0.26%. The diamonds down 0.19%. The NASDAQ up a fraction. And we have small caps down 0.67%. The bank's off by 0.5%. Financials off 0.4%. Silver at break even. And we have gold at break even for the most part. Both of them slightly bearish. And you have crude oil down 1.82% with the US dollar basically break even. And we have the VIX up 3.4%. And here we are looking at the markets. This is the S&P 500 ETF called the Spider, SPY. And this is the daily chart. Today we have a lower high, higher low, an inside trading candlestick from Friday's close. Now, overall, this is a fairly bullish move. Since we do have a lower high, we didn't get a sell-off today. We didn't even challenge the support area. So it's holding its own at this moment. Today's volume was very, very light. We have big news coming out with Baba and Apple, just huge earning reports that'll be reporting. I think maybe Twitter's coming out too. But huge reports that could help move the markets. But this is a sideways move here. Let's take a look here at the NASDAQ. NASDAQ here, look at this. Two candlesticks basically looking the same, but lower high, higher low, inside trading candlestick here on NASDAQ. Now what we're going to do in today's video is look at the tech stocks. Grok tech stocks. Apple was down 3% before earnings. We have earnings coming out tomorrow, and it'll come out after the session. Their estimates are $1.88 earnings per share. But sizable drop on big volume. Zacks did come out today saying Apple downgraded it from a buy to a hold. So very interesting to see. Baba also coming out with earnings. Today went higher. Last couple trading sessions, huge volume. Remember this falling wedge we talked about way back when? It said look for this thing to break out. It finally did. Boom, and it's off to the races. And Facebook was up Facebook's doing very nicely here. The volume, not too bad, but look at this. Closing near the day's high, marching upward, up 1.6% today. Speaking of that, Amazon did exactly the same thing, up 1.59%. But had a nice gap up, sell off, looking fairly, it's holding its own right now. Not doing too badly here. Microsoft was up 2.4%. PayPal was up more than 4% today. Look at this. We're talking about this falling wedge. Sure enough, we got the breakout and off to the races. And another 4% today. And we have earnings coming out on the 28th. So in 2 days. And they're looking for an earnings per share at 0.24%. So, or 0.2 or 24 cents rather. Taser was up 5% today, 5.3% Taser. Here, look at this. Up today, 5.3%. Twitter was up 2%, and we have earnings tomorrow on Twitter. So if you know people that trade tech stocks, listen, do not be holding these shares over earnings. That's an amateur move. Speaking of being amateurs, we have a program tomorrow night at 9 p.m. 9 p.m. tomorrow night. You're invited to go to groktrade.com. Scroll down to the bottom of the home page. Tomorrow night, 27th, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, 6 p.m. Pacific. Join us for a free webinar to learn more about how you can turn your amateur trading into professional trading. We have the answer for you here. It's only 20 minutes long. It's full of information. We'll tell you about our mentorship coming up in Las Vegas. If you like it, share it also. Catch you guys later.